Hi guys, this is Rams and welcome to my channel guys. And first of all, how are you all doing guys? And I hope you all are doing well guys. And if you have watched my previous video guys, I have talked about the winter is coming in the Regina, and let me tell you that it's been a week and still the snow is as it is. And in the past week only, I think that for one day sun is on the shine, and that also for the half day. So snow is as it is and the weather is not so clear. It's cloudy right now and it's dark, so you can see the outside view from my video over here. And yeah, let me tell you one thing that I have take a snap of that day when the sun is on the sign, and the weather is really good because the snow is over there and the sun is on the sign. The atmosphere is clear, the snow is melting a little bit, and then the sun is disappear in the cloud. So that day I took a snap and posted on the Instagram. So if you guys are not following me on the Instagram, then please do follow me on the Instagram so that you will get all the information regarding the weather and update of my videos on my Instagram account. So the link of that account is in the description box below guys. So yeah guys, today in this video we are going to discuss about the very important topic that so many of you guys are asking me in the comment section on my videos, as well as when I'm talking to few of the subscribers. They are asking me directly that what is the crime scenario in the Regina, because if you search on the Google, you will definitely gonna find out the name of the Saskatchewan in the top list of the crime provinces in the Canada. And yeah, there are the few cities in the Saskatchewan also that you are gonna find out in the top 10 in the crime listed cities in the Canada. So today in this video guys, I'm going to focus on that topic, and I hope I will make a clear picture regarding what is going on in the Regina and overall in the Saskatchewan. So I have some data from the website of the Regina City Police, and also I have my own experience because I am working as a security guard over here in the Regina, Saskatchewan. So I am going to give you the details about that, and hopefully after watching this video you will have a clear idea regarding what is going on in the Regina, about the crime in the Saskatchewan and Regina. So watch the video guys. So yeah guys, let's talk about the main point, the crime in the Regina and overall in the Saskatchewan. So first let's see the report that is from the Regina Police Department, and yeah, they will always upload the report each and every year regarding the crime, different crime in the different places of the Regina. First of all guys, I won't lie, the crime is there, it's true, but we have to check that what kind of crime is exactly going on, because you don't have to worried or you don't have to scared to come to the Regina guys. If you once know that what kind of crime is going on, then you can easily get an idea about what is the thing, what kind of things are going on in the Regina. So it's not like that. Let me clear first thing that it's not like that you don't have to come to the Regina. It's safe. It's not like that yeah it's a dangerous place and I should not go to the Regina. It's nothing like that friends. So keep in mind that first thing. So yeah, in this report, if you go through, I will obviously I will upload the link of this website in the description box below. You can go over there and you can check by yourself also. So yeah, there are the lot of crime listed over here, and if you check it properly, then you will find out that the theft, different kind of thefts like the theft in the store or theft of the car and other kind of thefts from the house or something, and assault. So these 2-3 crimes are very more compared to the other crimes like property crime or offensive weapons or attempt murder or harassment kind of a things, sexual activities. So yeah, only you will find out that the assault and the theft is more compared to any other crime in the Regina. And yeah, that's true. And as a security guard, I have been working as a security guard since almost about 4 months, and yeah, I have seen by myself in the stores, because my duties are in the liquor store, in the stores like a superstores and kind of a Walmart kind of a stores. So I worked on those kind of stores, and I have seen the people they are stealing the things, they are grabbing the things and putting in their pockets and hiding and doing crime like that. Yeah, and I have also seen some people like they are drunk and they are talking rude with me because I am a security guard. I am asking them that what you are doing, it's not good kind of a thing. Yeah, so yeah, those kind of crimes are going on. It's true, it's completely true. And to be frank, I also like in the past on my one shift I talked with one person. He was very rude and I told him that if you disturb the customer of this store like this only, then I will call 911. And yeah, then he went away from that place. So yeah, the crime is there, to be frank, but it's not like that you should decide that yeah, I should not go to the Regina because it's a very dangerous place. It's nothing like that. Yeah, and one more thing is that as a normal student, when I was as a normal student, I don't have a job at that time. I was not working as a security also. So at that time also I was in the downtown at night, and I was out from the home at 9, 10, 11, and I haven't felt yet that yeah, I have to be scared from someone, and it's very late night and something can be happen to me. I never felt like that, and no one has disturbed me on the road or something. Yeah, sometimes I found the people, some suspicious people, that yeah, I think that guy is dangerous, but I never felt something, and no one yet disturbed me. And if I talked about my friends or some of my colleagues, they also never faced any dangerous situation over here in the Regina at the night itself. So yeah, this is all the things that I have observed so far from the past 6 months experience in the Regina. And this kind of this is the overall clear picture in the Saskatchewan, I guess. So you don't have to worry so much that yeah, the crime is there, so maybe racism is going on because you are from a different country, so they will always abuse you. No, nothing is like that. So you can be you don't have to worry much about that, guys. And I hope that so many of you are asking me this question in the comment section, and also asking me on the call personally, sending me message on the Instagram, that what is your experience, what is the crime is going on, like we should not visit some places in the Regina, this portion the crime is more, like yeah, some places are there, but again it's not so dangerous that you have to worry a lot that oh no, I should not come to this place, or no, I am going to the Saskatchewan, I should not go there. It's nothing like that. Even there are a lot of good things are going on in the Saskatchewan. You will enjoy a lot of events going on in the Mosaic Stadium. I used to work there. Tomorrow also, Saturday, I have a duty there in the Riders game. Yeah, so many good games and events are going on in the Saskatchewan. People are really good also. I enjoyed working as a security guard in the Mosaic Stadium and the stores, as I mentioned earlier in the video. So I enjoyed working over there. I'm enjoying my life in the Regina, Saskatchewan, to be frank. And I never had a lot of things to worry that yeah, something wrong can happen with me in the Regina, in the Saskatchewan. No, it's not like that. So I hope you guys got your answer after watching this video, and if you have any more questions, then please do mention in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Rams Life channel, and also follow me on my all the social medias. The links are in the description box below, guys. And that's it for today in this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you in the next video soon. Till then, you take care, my friends, and bye bye.